Hi everybody, I want to tell you about a site I just created. It's called 5offersaday.com. That's correct, 5offersaday.com. The reason I created it is because sellers are still selling. I'm seeing posts all over the internet saying people aren't selling. No, I promise you they are, because I'm buying them. I know buyers that are buying them. I know investors that are selling property. Properties are still moving, ladies and gentlemen. And people are always looking for deals and not sure where to find them. So I created the site, 5 Offers a Day. Go over there, check it out. I'm telling you, 56 different ways to find seller leads. 56 different ways. And once all this virus stuff passes, chances are most, if not all of them, will still be there. In fact, probably all of them will still be there. So check it out, totally free, not selling anything, just a value add to everybody. 5offersaday.com. And why did I call it that? Simple. Make 5 offers a day. If you're making 5 offers a day, even in this environment, you're going to get deals. Period. It's simple. 5 offers a day. Every day you will get deals. Check it out. 5offersaday.com. Just a gift to you. Enjoy. Thanks.